Here we are in Ross County High at the 19th Annual Miller's Swap Meet and Car Show. C10 project parts.
The Sunday you guys are
69. Got a bit here. Pretty nice car show. First one of the year. For me, anyways. My dad had a 72. Brown, wood grain down the side, 454. Bought it brand new in 72. I was 5 years old. He rolled that thing right outside New Haven, West Virginia after he got off work. Racing, I'm told. And what was it, 2 years old, I think? 3 years? 74, 75. That's when that happened. Oh, it's a sharp super sport. Beautiful 67. Oh yeah, seen this at Jackson Car Show a couple times. Beautiful Corvette. Ty Vickers, I think it's a 66. Just screams 70s to me. Oh, the old 40 Ford. Beautiful. Levered hood. Speaking of wood grain wagons, beautiful 48.
Let me know.
For sale.
You too. Sleep tight and catch you later. I didn't quite catch that. Can you clarify what you mean?
I like this.
Burgers are fantastic. What's your favorite kind?
Short.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate the compliment. What else is on your mind?
Sharp.
I'm glad to hear that. What do you love most about it?
That's cool.
you.
Mind repeating that?
You can ask her then. Really? Yeah.
39 Ford English. Very cool. Right next to what? 64 GTO. Convertible. Red, white, and black. Sharp. Tack on the hood. Deuces. That thing is loaded. Car's perfect. What a combination in 64. Ah. '82. Pontiac Le Mans, old blue. That is sharp. Oh, with the bench seat. That's really cool. Automatic on the column. 71. All the nice paperwork right there in front of it. Sharp. '65 C10. Looking sharp. Longer's better. That's cool. Step side square body.
That's a company I used to work for. Oh, I was going to say, I got involved with them.
That is sharp. Original 47,000 miles.
Yeah. Well, it's actually my dad and my stepdad, the one that bought it brand new. And he was going to leave it to his daughter, and his daughter turned to a girl, and he wanted to do this band. So he called me up. Did you want to call? I said, well, make me an order.
That is sharp. 71 SS 454. Four-speed, black vinyl top. I love the combination. I love the vinyl top Chevelles. That pewter gray they call this is just a beautiful color. 79 official pace car, and that is not stock. Look who's here. It's old Mater. I videoed this car before at Dublin Arthritis Auto Show a couple years ago. I remember it now. He had a towing service. He had this, and that's his Mater. So let's see what they got in here. I'm still trying to wake up, guys and gals.
How are you?
Yeah.
Hungry.
Jeep's looking sharp.
I have. Evidently.
That is cool. I like the setup. I like this build. I like what you guys did.
I had to wipe my wheels off. It was
40, 49. I had a 50 cab gave to me from Moore's Junkyard. Great. Just gotta pick it up. The Mercury. I'm a Mercury lover now, guys. You know that. Gotta coming home next week. We're going to do a video and everything on the 62 Mercury Monterey S55 with factory 4-speed. We're going to listen to it and run the bin and everything on it. This is a beautiful Mercury Comet. Caroline's cousin. Get a picture. I like that topper. You don't see those. That's cool. Little short topper. CB and all that is all right.
It takes a day.
Got the music and all, the cooler, got the whole setup. Wood stake bed. 72. It's got the houndstooth seat in it. Cheyenne Super. That's the top of the line, guys and gals. There is a lot of cars. I knew people told me this was big. Swap meet 10 times bigger than the car show. But I've never been here. It's the 19th annual. My first time here. Yeah. Barracuda 340. How we doing, sir? I love the color combination, and you see the later 340s, but you don't see these. I like the way it sharp. Fastback's my favorite. Vinyl top.
They call it slick back. It's got a vinyl roof on it.
Where it's just down the center of it. Is that why it got the slick back name, you think? That's cool. How long have you had it?
It's 95. I got the body in 95.
Wow. That's a long time. Over 3 decades. That's a passion there.
Yeah. Once you get it, you're too poor to do buy anything else. I just keep going.
Keep putting the money in the same car, and you have something nice like that. Yeah, it's sharp, sir. 66 Super Sport. I think I shared a picture on Facebook of my dad's. He had a flat black 66. It was a 396 4-speed car, but it had a 327 in it when he had it there at the end. Sharp. Nice. Beautiful Ford pickup. Just like it was back when it was brand new. Better.
That's a clean Ford.
Nice looking Fox body. Little hot rod. Fiberglass body. 32. Buick Invicta 62. Wildcat convertible, red and white. That's sharp. Hi.
How you doing?
Beautiful car, man. You don't see these
No?
ever.
No,
Beautiful.
never see a few Buick. I never
You,
see
you
them
don't
in
see the Invicta. No, that's what I was saying. It's a beautiful, the year is a beautiful style. This is a great year. I like it. Yeah, this is nice. 455. They did 2 body styles that year. It's the last of this body style. Beautiful.
Yeah, that's all real well.
Eye window.
You got a card?
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a card here. Tracy done that.
No, you don't.
That is beautiful,
My
man.
grandson loves that.
Yeah. He said, oh, I think that's Tracy.
Yeah.
UK.
Right, he went to UK for that. He said he showed the picture. He said, "Can they do this?" I said, "Well, you don't know, man." Tell Tracy, I'll be out telling my war.
OBS body style.
Oh, I saw him. I didn't
1990.
Yeah.
You can't find nobody around home, so look, say he's up hunting.
Yeah, he's
Clean and sharp.
He just moved over into Chesapeake. It's real easy to find. I've been over there, and he's in with, and I cannot think of that guy's name. But they went together on a building. This guy's doing this.
Just did a story on Facebook on a 72 Duster. How popular they are. Here we got this nice, pretty 72.
And never planned it, but all 3 times I've been here, it's been.
We got them over here even before I go down that road. How we doing, sir?
Good, how you doing?
Got a 98 for sale here, 8,500 cash. That's what he's saying. Philip, right there's his number. Screenshot it. I like these. What do you call them? Audis. They start doing the indenting in their 73. How you doing, sir? I'm gonna have to add music as much as I'm talking, guys and gals. How was everybody's winter? Beautiful 71. I do like these 71 to 73 body style Mach 1s or Mustangs, period. Fastbacks and the notchbacks. It's got the big dog in it, guys. Mustangs. I think I mentioned I had a 79 my senior year of high school in 85. Can't think of this guy's name. I know he's from Jackson, Ohio, here, close by. Doug. I know I did a video on the truck before. And he's a friend of Tim Scarberry's. I like the look of this where it's lowered. Steelies on it. Modern engine, 38. There's a lot of my viewers that will like this more quiet version of me. I love it when they put their garage or their own little logo on the side of their door right there on the pickup, any pickup. South Shore, Kentucky. This is a clean. I'm 58. I remember the heyday of them roll bars, chrome roll bars. And the exact same kind of truck. It's for sale, guys. $17,500. I'm telling you. I've seen a lot higher at a lot worse. I'd be safe if I had the money. I think that'd be a good deal if that's what you're looking for. Very good deal. So somebody ought to give that guy a call and tell him you seen it on Junk Car Willie. I love this color on this 57. It's even. Look at the mirrors, how it's just as clean underneath as it is on top.
One they did put some special suspension for the chief seat and all that, and the other one was a show car. Something like the Dukes have.
Beautiful.
There's like a YouTube thing to show you. One of the good ones is Rockford Files. First of all, James Garner got out driving his stuntman, so he did all the driving. We saved a ton of splicing when they had to do that.
Look how clean that is.
Give them 3 cars. It was a real high-end car.
Beautiful.
But they would strip it down and repaint it to make it look like a cheap Firebird. But anyway,
Thank you, sir. Oh man, it is incredible. The underneath of it is just. I'd like to see it flipped over. It's so beautiful underneath almost. It's beautiful. Oh, a Diamond Rio.
Oh yeah, I know you.
I'm already telling you, if you got a Pico, and I love the color of the square body we're going to look at next to it. I love it. Yeah, incredible bed on this truck. All that work.
Oh my God! I turned oh yeah.
There's no show that I would ever drive. I mean, I drive it around town.
Oh yeah.
I'll drive it within like 15 miles. Exactly. It had better be 40.
I understand that. Yeah.
Incredible. Thank you, sir.
That's cool, isn't it?
Diamond Rio on a more modern chassis. You couldn't ask for
I don't
better.
know what you're going to see, do you?
This is what I'm talking about. I have to show my boy. I really like the paint scheme. 82 to 85, they did some pretty wild paint schemes from factory. Now, I'm not saying this is factory, but I've seen some crazy factory paint schemes like this. I like this. And you can just put your own colors in it, but I like the red, white, and blue. But you could go any colors on it. Red interior. It's for sale, $37.5. You seen the price on that other one up there? I told you that was a good deal up there. 740-646-1106 it says. Excuse me. Yeah, that's cool. I love the color combination. I know they did some wild things in the 80s. I don't know if that's factory or not. But
I don't think so.
I know they did some different stripes, some like 100 models or so of it, but that's really cool. I know they did the hood stripes like that. Them stripes are cool. Ooh. Didn't even pay attention there. Look what we got, guys and gals. A Super Bee. A Super Bird. The Super Bee all fixed up. No, I know it's a Super Bird. Started as a Super Bee. We're wrong on that. Oh, I like the gray in the seats. I like that. Superbird. Don't see them all the time. I like the paint scheme on this. That's sharp. Yeah, I like it.
On the cruise.
What's it got in it?
350 rocket. Or not 350 turbo, I'm sorry. Hey, Dad.
Modern going down the road. Looking cool.
I'll be there in just a minute. Mom's truck. 52.
Thank you, bud. Thanks for bringing it out.
Hey, no problem. Thank you.
I think I have my hand halfway through the video. Trying to use this little small instead of the rack I use or been using. I like this build. I like it when they slick them up and make them look shiny on the patina, but also like the original patina with no shine. And then he did the seats up and the door panels. That is sharp. That is sharp. We got a few more down through here, guys and gals. I'm gonna walk you down through, and then I'm gonna start taking some pictures. And then we might walk the swap meet. We'll see what's going on. If you're a regular, you've seen these beautiful Chevelle and Camaros at my car, not my car shows, but car shows that I have videoed.
Automatic, 4-speed.
Do a quick walkthrough. Well, if you stay till the end, you guys, much respect to you, because I didn't talk much. Gotta get back in the rhythm, don't I? We'll be hopping video every week. We'll try to do shorts every day and maybe put up some pictures and do a little brief thing about it and just tell you guys good morning. What do you think about that?
Oh yeah.
I do like the sedans better than the hard tops on these old any 60s. Any 60s. Well, that looks nice. I like original paint. That looks like original paint. Is that original paint, sir?
On the vet?
Yeah.
That's my brother's. I'm pretty sure it is, yeah.
Oh man, I love that. I like the.
He just bought that.
I like seeing it. You know, if it was 10 years old and scratched up, I wouldn't care. But being original, I respect every little battle. Gives it character.
Yeah.
So the Falcon yours?
Yeah, me and my brothers, yeah.
That is cool.
We're all brothers. That's my
All
brother,
together?
and that's my brother.
So what year is this one? I'm not good on my Corvette.
71.
71. Is it a factory big block car?
No, it's a 350.
350. I didn't know if it. Some's been changed and small blocks put in. My buddy, he had a 350 and a big block car. Just ain't replaced to put the big block in it yet.
He's been working on this one. He's done upholstery in it.
I like the wheels. I remember when they was in, like, you used to see them more often, you know, 30 years or 40 years ago. I like the different look on it. Where are you guys out of? Joe College.
Yeah, this is hometown here.
Hometown, huh? I like that white stripe. Well, it's a modern motor, so I like that. Modern brakes, modern suspension, I'm betting. But I like that dark blue with that lighter blue interior. Marina blue, there's an aqua blue. The modern hood on it, modern Camaro hood. 79 LTD2. My uncle bought one brand new. I don't know how many motors he changed in it. And it's kind of a baby blue. The dark blue stripe like this. And dark blue inside. I know he had it. 15, 20 years. He traveled, building bridges. Big shout out to Guy Hill. And he was a Ford guy too. And he changed the motors himself. He was a true more car guy than I am. He was getting it long past 58 what I am now. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Might have been boring to some, and then it might have been a pleasant surprise not to hear me yakking all the time. We'll see if my hand showed up halfway through. Hey guys and gals, how we all doing? We're just like a few days away from actually 3 months before I made a video. I mean an actual video that I'm not, well, I made a little video messing around the yard the other day, like a few days ago, on the 10th. So it's been a while, guys and gals. I hope you all had a good winter. Trying to shake these winter blues. I'm telling you, it's one of the worst winters I had. Everything went wrong, it seems like, and then my spirit was, you know, you just get beat down, you get the normal winter blues, and then life on top of it. But we are going, first time there, we've got about an hour and a half drive to Ross County, Ohio, to the Ross County Fairgrounds for the 19th annual Miller Swap Meet and Car Show. So let's go check it out. I'm going to do it right. If I'm going to do it the way I plan on putting the video out, and then if I add this, it'll be at the end of the video. That way, I'm not boring you and losing you. At least I got you through what I wanted to show you before I started rambling on. That's Mr. Scott Cadle in front of us that I beeped at in that white truck. He just made the local and I think national news for he was going out a road close to his home and seen marks going through a good guardrail, and this guy right here in the white truck, Scott Cadle, also president of our car club, New Haven Road Angels, established in 1953. But he's seen the skid marks, so he called and says, "Are any wrecks reported?" And he's like, "No." And so he, I guess, maybe went over the hill a little bit, and there was a semi truck upside down in the water. And the guy had to, he was still in his seat, he was upside down, and he had to hold his head, you know, up, because it was in the water, to keep breathing. And been there at least an hour. So who knows what would have happened if Scott wouldn't have called the law, you know, and got him there to rescue. And Scott Cadle, you can look that up. And I have a feeling, I don't know, he might just be going to Miller's too. I don't know who he's riding along with him. Good guy. Good guy. So we're getting ready to go under. We just crossed the Bridge of Honor, bridging Mason, West Virginia to right here, Pomeroy, Ohio. You know, guys, I really want to try to make more content. I think I need to I want to get in the habit of posting just something every day. You know, we sold the 66 Mustang a while back. We bought that ugly hot rod that we first did a video on a year and a half ago, you know, old model way frame and 95 Mustang front end and rack and rear end, and used the back seat for seat and shifter. Home built body with the 72 302 or just a stock. We got a 97 S10 down there we talked about. It's a really, just got 2 or 3 little spots. Original paint, original interior, nice. It's got 130,000 miles on it, and a brand new, not even 500 miles, on a brand new transmission, every piece. $1,100 in receipts, not counting labor. And I got a good deal on it. I couldn't pass it up. So we're going to do a video on it. We're going to get the ugly hot rod. We're going to move it on. So I got to help my boy with his, we got the Scottsdale project that we want to actually get on the road this year. And then, of course, I got this 2008 work truck Chevrolet, and the 2010 300,000 mile minivan, the 70 Riviera. We got to get it back on the road. Definitely make it roadworthy again. It was some of my best driving was the 8,000 miles that I did on it travel. Well, we got the 62 Mercury. If you watched my last video at the junkyard there, Moores, that 62 Mercury Monterey S55. You know, guys call me dumb, but I didn't even know about the S55 series. And I knew it was rare because it had a 4-speed in it. And they just didn't make 4-speed manuals very much in the Mercury's, full-size Mercury. I guess they only made 2,700 of the hardtops and 1,000 like of the convertibles. And the ones with the 4-speed are like single, you know, double-digit numbers, you know, like around 100 or less. And they usually was only put with the 406, that 1-year only engine, right before the 428. But what happened is, this is a 390, the 330 horse 390, the upgrade 390. It's a bucket seat console car. They did a little different on the interior and the chrome, but solid car as far as the floors. Just a couple little holes. It's got on the body, small holes. There's a dent in the front driver's fender and a dent in the passenger back fender. But that's going to be we're going to decode the bin. You'll hear it running. It ain't got no brakes, but we'll have it home next week. Thanks to Ivan Puckett, my 84-year-old drag racing hero from Southside, drives that Henry J. Strictease 2. He invited me up there. It's just a good friend, and to show him that junkyard, did videos there. And if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't even got the car, because I mentioned that it's like, man, I kind of like to got that. And before I'd even talked about it, they said a price, and it's like I should have got that, being a rare car. Didn't even hear it run, just heard that it run, and said that it ran, and that ran good. And before I know it, Ivan done like, hey, I got that car for you if you pay me, I went ahead and paid for it, you can pay me. I'm like, what in the world? Super nice guy, just what kind of people do that? Really cool guy. On Route 7, this is a dangerous intersection right here. People's got killed right there. It's a bad intersection. Bad intersection. So that's what we plan on doing. Getting the Riviera up running this year. We didn't do that last year, guys. Went all year not driving the Ratty Riviera. It's got its own Facebook group with like 3,300 members. You can Google Ratty Riviera and my $800 purchase, and I bet you I don't even have $2,400 in that car. That 1 year only 455. I mean, it's first year for 455, but it was 1 year only for the horsepower ratings. They dropped it the next year at 71. But here it is, like what, March the 14th. Southside drag racing starts, drag racing season starting in our area. First part of April, Southside Drag Race. We'll be down there, and we'll be back Land Speed Racing. 6 weeks away, May 1st, 2nd, 3rd, in Blytheville, Arkansas. ECTA Horsepower Harvest Spring Blink. So I'm excited that, got some things coming, and then we got a junkyard. It's about 2 hours away I ain't never been to, and then we'll make our usual stop back down to Clippers, because he's always bringing in stuff. Crown City. And then I don't know where else we'll go, not worried about the miles as much as getting more content, just instead of just showing the car. I love the stories, you know what I mean? I love talking to people and knowing about the car. Every car's got a story. Like the green hot rod, ugly hot rod. I wanted to get it out of the garage and get it to somebody. That car ain't even I put the most miles on it, and I probably only not even put 20 miles on it since it's been built. So got 10 minutes of that talking for you guys. We'll wait till we get closer. If we see anything interesting on the way, we'll get you. But I just want to thank you guys and gals. I've got a little niche audience for different things I do: land speed racing, the junkyards, the drag racing, car shows. You know, I appreciate it. I've got some people who watch everything I put out. I'm just a small content creator and making just a few dollars. But the whole idea is, I realized, you know, I like it. I like it. I've never, the places, the machines, the people I've met, and the friendships I've made, and the opportunities, just because I started YouTube back in October 2021. And by October 2022, you know, it was taking off. How many times I say that's why I don't listen. If I listen to myself, I end up deleting it. So it's hard for me to edit videos because I end up deleting everything. A lot of people don't like the sound of their voice, catches their mistakes. I am who I am. I'm 58, so I am who I am. I just don't care like I used to in my 20s about worried about what people thought. Put it that way. In my 30s. Yeah, we find something cool on the highway, we'll bring you along. And if I got enough time, we'll take the back roads coming back and see what we can find. Remember, guys and gals, it'd be a boring world if we was all the same. Keep being you.